Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Terraform. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I will explain about how to do initial level AWS setup for writing Terraform and how to spin up an EC2 instance using Terraform code. The basic prerequisite for the video to follow is a little bit knowledge of AWS. To write the code to spin up an EC2 instance in AWS using Terraform, you should have an AWS account. Even you can have your own free tier account also. So if you don't have an AWS account, the first step for you guys is to open a free tier AWS account. Now let's get into the demo. I have opened my PowerShell, and here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to navigate to that folder which I have the code. I'm just going to use change directory, and Terraform is my directory. And there I have the folder called 2022, that's it. And I will list down the files it will have. I will explain you what are the files it will have, like terraform.log.html in later videos. Now I have created the file called instant.tf. Let's see what is the content of instant.tf using the cat command, cat instant.tf. And here, this is a very simple code I have here in the instant.tf file. There is a called provider. The provider is AWS, and here we are given our access key and secret key. And here we are going to use a region called US-East-2 as a region. And then I'm going to spin up an EC2 instance using the Terraform. So this is some sample piece of code here, and just we need to give the AMI and instant type. And here if you see here we are kind of hard coding the credentials, and it is not recommended in any of the Terraform configuration file, because there should be some secret leakage over there. And if you are committing, and you should not commit like this in a public version control system. So what I did is there is another option for giving the credentials like this. We should specify the config file and credentials file and a profile name. And this is a piece of code, as I said, right? We need to spin up an EC2 instance with this example piece of code. Here we need to specify the instant type, like T2 micro, and we need to specify the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to a website that will list down the current AMI IDs for a particular region. Let's go over here, and this is the website I'm going to use, this cloudimage.ubuntu.com. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for an AMI for my region. The region is US-East-2, and the name is Zenel. Okay, that's it. And it is listing down 5 AMI IDs over here. Here I am going to choose the first one with the EBS, because with the T2 instance, right, it doesn't have any instant store. They only have the EBS, which is external storage. So this is the EMI which I'm going to use. I'm just copying it over here, and just copying this one, and I'm going to edit this file. You can use any editor to edit this file. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. So I already opened this with the Visual Studio Code, and as said, right, this is not a recommended way. I'm just removing this one, and here in the AMI ID, I'm just pasting over here the AMI ID, whichever I get it over there, just saving it over here. And the first command you always enter is Terraform initialization. It is taking some time to initialize. That's what I already executed these pieces of code. Only after this it will be getting this file folder Terraform and Terraform log.html file. What this Terraform instance will do is it will initialize the provider plugins. Our provider is AWS, right? It will install all the provider plugins over here with respect to AWS. So whenever you create a new directory and you want to run Terraform apply, you have to run this Terraform initialization, that is init, and this will initialize the provider plugin. And it says the Terraform has been successfully initialized. Now you can run Terraform plan or apply. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to the second command prompt, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give Terraform apply. That's it. Let's see what is going to happen. Just going to give Terraform apply. Let's see what will happen over here after giving a Terraform apply. It will take a few minutes to run this command. Yeah, see, it is asking. I think I just give enter, so it is getting cancelled, and just giving one more time the Terraform apply, because it will ask whether we need to perform this action or not. Okay, it is asking, right? It is asking whether we need to perform the action or not, and we need to agree with it, and I need to give yes for that, and it will start processing now for over here. So keep in mind, whenever you create a new directory, and you will have to run the Terraform initialize, that is init, before you run and apply. It will take a few minutes because it is taking all the instance and it is getting created over here. Before that, we'll go to the AWS console and let's see. And This is my AWS console, the EC2 dashboard, and I am in the region of US-East-2, and I don't have any instance running over here. I don't have any instances over here. Let's go over here. See here, I don't have any instances. I'm just refreshing it, and meanwhile we'll go to the Visual Studio Code. See, it is getting executed over here. See, it's apply complete, and resource has been added, and this is a resource we have created now, and it is getting initialized. This is a resource we have created, right? Yeah. So now it says like the resource. Now it says like the its resource is creation complete, and it added one resource. So the resource is created. Suppose now if you don't want this resource to be running anymore, you can destroy it. So we don't have to pay for it. For example, if you have free tier means you can actually keep this t2.micro running. But if you start a second one means you'll have to start paying for second one. So to be safer side, I'm just going to do Terraform destroy. I'm just going to use Terraform destroy. That's it. So it will destroy the instance. Let's see what's happening over here. Again, what it will do is like it will ask for confirmation. It will ask like whether I need to perform this action or not. Let's see. See, it is asking like perform the action on. I'm just giving yes, and it is doing. Like Terraform plan, right? It will take some time. The Terraform destroy also will take some time to destroy this one. Let's see what is happening. Meanwhile, we'll just go and see it over there. I'm just refreshing it. See, it is getting shutting down and it is getting terminated. That's it. We are destroying the resource whatever we created using a simple command. And let's get into over here. Let's see what's happening over here. It is taking a few more minutes. As I said, Terraform destroy also will take some time. Yeah, it's done. And another useful command you need to know about is Terraform plan. Let's see. This is the command Terraform plan. What it will do is like it will just have a look and it will then show you like what you are planning to do without applying it to the infrastructure. That's it. Now if you do like Terraform plan -out is an argument and out.terraform, the file name. You can have any file name. You can have any file name of your own, or you can use that like any file, as I said, right? You can use like an output. What it will do is like the change the Terraform is going to make, just only these changes will be saved in this file. So what are the changes it need to apply, right? It will there in your file out.terraform file. If in the left hand side you can able to see there. See here the file will get generated over here. Now if you do Terraform apply and then out.terraform with that file name out.terraform. If you do like this means what it will do is like it will apply only the changes that you see here in that file. So if you do Terraform apply without this out.terraform means this is actually just a shortcut. That is a shortcut of Terraform plan with an out file, and it will do the Terraform apply this file and it will remove this file. So if you use Terraform apply without this argument means it's just a kind of shortcut. So if you want to be safe, and it's highly recommended you always do a Terraform plan out to the file, and then you do apply to this file, because in this file only it will have all the changes that are going to apply to the infrastructure. So then you can always be sure that the changes that you just seen on your screen will be the change that will be applied on your infrastructure. Then you are not blindly applying anything changes to infrastructure. So these are the various type of command that will be available in the Terraform, like initialization, that is init, and apply, destroy, and for safer side like a plan. So plan will do like it will create a file and you can apply with the help of this file. So you can make sure like all the changes that you are seeing in the screen will be applied over here. So that's it guys for this video. If you have any questions or any doubts on implementing this, just add in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.